In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these Parmesan potatoes that are a perfect addition to any dinner. Here's your ingredients. And to get started, we're going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees. And to start, we're going to slice up all our potatoes. We're going to cut them in half and then score them. Like so. And next we're going to chop up our fresh thyme. And I went ahead and rinsed off all my potatoes. Now I'm just going to dry them off. Then we're going to add our favorite oil. I'm using avocado oil today. A generous amount of garlic powder and onion powder. And a little bit of pepper. I don't like a lot of pepper. And some freshly ground salt. And our freshly chopped thyme. I'm going to stir that up a little bit. And to a parchment-lined baking sheet, I'm going to add some more oil and my Parmesan cheese. And then we'll start laying our potatoes onto the cheese with the cut side down. And make sure to get every last bit of that thyme and oil and all the other seasonings onto the potatoes. And now it's ready to go into a preheated oven. We're going to bake this for about 45 minutes. Here's what they look like mid-bake and when they're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. It was really delicious. I absolutely love potatoes. They are my favorite food. I thank God every day for potatoes. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment down below if you tried this and let me know what other recipes you'd like me to make. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.